It's me once again with your math solutions. Today we'll be talking about straight lines and angles. Now let's start with straight lines and the types of straight lines. You have the vertical or the standing, you have the horizontal or the sleeping, or you have the oblique line or slanting line. Then what are angles? An angle is formed at the point where two lines meet. Take for example, you have something like this. This is an angle. We can have something like this. This is an angle. We have something like this. This is an angle. Okay, so this line and this line met here and an angle is formed. This line and this line meet here. An angle is formed. This line and this line meets here, and this angle is formed. So let's look at the types of angles. We have acute angle. Acute angle. An acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Any acute angle must be less than 90 degrees. Okay, so now let's look at a right angle. A right angle. And this is a very important angle. Very, very important angle to humanity. And is 90 degrees. A right angle is equivalent to 90 degrees. So let's look at obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. An obtuse angle is between 90 and 180 degrees, meaning that it's greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Then you have angle on a straight line. An angle on a straight line, which is two right angles, and it equals 180 degrees. So we have reflex angle. A reflex angle is any angle that is between 180 and 360 degrees. Let's call this Z. You have 180 is less than Z, and Z is less than 360 degrees. And we have angle on a point, which is like saying like this, ooh, and this is 360 degrees. That's angle on a point. So let's look at the sum of adjacent angles on a straight line. Okay, given a straight line like this, and you have a line like this, let's call this straight this A, O, B, C. Okay, now there are two angles here. You have this and this. Okay, and this one is angle AOC, and this other part is angle BOC. Now you can see that, like we said earlier, a straight line, angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. So angle AOC plus angle BOC gives us 180 degrees. Let's look at vertically opposite angles. You have, let's say P, Q, R, S, then O. Okay, now this angle is vertically opposite to this angle. and this angle is vertically opposite to this angle. So vertically opposite angles are equal. So you can say here, this angle POS, angle POS and angle QOR equals angle QOR. And angle POQ, angle POQ equals angle SOR. SOR. They are all said to be vertically opposite. The angles meeting at a point. When some lines intersect at a point, the sum total of all the angles is 360 degrees. So assuming we call this A, B, C, D, E. We have A plus B plus C plus D plus E equals 360 degrees. And it's important to note that the number of lines equal the number of angles. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. Let's look at a problem like this. We're supposed to find x. Okay, and x is angle POR. Okay, now we can see that PQ is a straight line, sorry. So it means that x plus 125 degrees will give us x plus 125 degrees should give us 180 degrees. Reason: angle, they say angle on a straight line. So you have x, remember this is a linear equation, you collect like terms together. You have x equals 180 minus 125 degrees, which gives us 55 degrees. So let's look at this question. Calm down. I know it looks scary, but we are learning. So now you can see that this is a point. So we're trying to find y. Okay? And what we are given, we are given other angles that make up a point. So we have 220 degrees plus 45 degrees plus y equals 360. And the reason is what? Angle at a point. So 220 plus 45 gives us 265 degrees plus y equals 360 degrees. So y equals 360 degrees minus 265 degrees, which gives us 95 degrees. And so our y is 95 degrees. Okay? Given a problem like this, it looks scary, but it's not scary. It's very, very interesting. Let's go. Now we are supposed you're given that AB is a straight line, CD is a straight line, then E joined them. Now we are supposed to find KLM. How do we go about it? Let's find out. So you start from your knowns, look at your knowns, you study the question and try to find the easiest unknown we can find. Something like that. Let's look at this. Now we can say this is a straight line. AB is a straight line. So it means that this angle, this plus this, should give us 180 degrees. Okay? So now we have m plus 62 degrees equals 180 degrees. Please, you have to be writing your reasons. You can't just state things without giving reasons. Now the reason for this is what? Angle, in brackets you write angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line. So you have m equals 180 minus 62, and it gives us 118 degrees. So now, let's look at how we can get L. Remember we said something about some vertically opposite angles. Now, L is vertically opposite to 62 degrees. So L is equal to 62 degrees. And the reason being what? That they are vertically opposites. So that we now have K remaining. Now L plus K plus 77 should give us 180 degrees. Reason, angle on a straight line. So we have L plus K plus 77 equals 180 degrees. And we have our L to be 62. So we have K plus 62 plus 77 equals 180. 62 plus 77 is 139 equals 180. So K equals 180 minus 139, and that gives us 41 degrees. So we have our K to be 41 degrees, and we have our L to be 62 degrees, and we have our M to be 118 degrees. I hope you found this video useful. Please calm down and solve as many questions as possible relating to this topic. If you have any questions, any queries, any comments, or any topics you want us to discuss, feel free to use the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.